That old fear, the supermassive black hole myth. Well, now, there are some ideas that just seem to find a home in the back of our minds. They settle in and make us feel a little uneasy when the sky gets dark. One of those ideas is about black holes. You've likely heard the stories. Folks talk about these giant dark monsters out in space, just waiting to gobble up our little world. They imagine a cosmic vacuum cleaner, pulling in everything in its path, including our own sweet Earth. It's a powerful image, sure to send a shiver down your spine. It's a story, and it's time to set the record straight. The fear comes from a misunderstanding, and that's all right. Space is big and mysterious. It's natural to be wary of what we don't grasp. Even the name sounds mighty final, doesn't it? It sounds like an ending, a place of no return. Movies love stretching ships into nothing, but the truth is quieter and far less frightening. The universe runs on rules, on order, and those rules keep us safe. Let's take a slow walk through the facts. We'll go step by step. By the end, you'll see supermassive black holes ain't villains. Let's begin. First things first, what are we dealing with here? A supermassive black hole is the heavyweight champ. We're talking millions, even billions, of solar masses. Its gravity's so strong that past a boundary, the event horizon, not even light can escape. But that horizon is tiny compared to a whole galaxy. At the Milky Way's heart sits Sagittarius A star, about 4 million suns worth. Its point of no return is only about Mercury's orbit across a speck in a 100,000 light-year disk. It ain't a roaming predator, it's the still hub of a vast wheel. Like a heavy stone in a huge pond, strong nearby, gentle far away. Gravity fades with distance, like heat from a fire. The sun's pull rules our neighborhood. The galaxy's center is a whisper out here. Black holes don't suck like vacuums. Gravity's just mass and distance. If the sun became an equal mass black hole, Earth's orbit wouldn't change a lick. We'd freeze without sunlight, but not get pulled in. Astronomers watch stars whip around Sagittarius A. Their orbits, stable, predictable, prove gravity is strong up close, weak far away. No extra spooky pull, just gravity. Its reach ain't infinite. That's why we're safe. We're about 26,000 light-years from the center, a calm suburb of the Milky Way. 1 light-year is nearly 6 trillion miles, and you'd stack that 26,000 times to reach downtown. Out here it's calmer, fewer packed stars, fewer supernovae, less harsh radiation. We're nestled in a safe harbor, stable and predictable. The center's chaos reaches us like far-off thunder, a faint rumble, no danger. Yes, black holes can power the brightest beacons, quasars. Not the hole itself, but matter heating to millions of degrees as it spirals in, sometimes launching mighty jets. That spectacle is local to the core. We're nowhere near it. Our black hole's on a strict diet, a flicker, more like a distant candle than a bonfire. Even if it feasted, that 26,000 light-year buffer spreads and weakens the light and radiation. By the time it reached us, it couldn't strip our air or harm life. So we admire quasars with awe, not fear. Distance is our peace of mind. Black holes are distant marvels, not nearby threats. And our place in this big old universe? Quiet, steady, and safe. As we've learned more, a new picture emerged. These giants help shape galaxies. Their outflows can stir, compress, or clear gas, a kind of feedback. Like a thermostat, they regulate star birth, sometimes sparking new stars, sometimes easing off the gas so galaxies don't burn out fast. Bigger stellar bulges tend to host bigger black holes. They grow together. The black hole ain't an invader, it's part of the family. A steady, heavy heart keeping the system in balance, so we can let that old myth go. The tale of a black hole eating Earth? Just a story. We started with fear. We found the truth. Black holes are fixed anchors, not roamers. Their only weapon, gravity, weakens across the vastness. We're tucked in a quiet arm, far from downtown. Deep inside that river of light is a giant, sleeping heart. It is not a threat. The universe is full of wonders, powerful and strange. Black holes challenge our sense of space and time, worthy of study and awe, not fear. here in our little corner, we're perfectly, peacefully at home. Subscribe for more space content.